G'day folks, welcome back to the channel. You're here once again with the big fella. And if this is your first time here, remember to subscribe and hit the notification button. So firstly, you'll have to forgive the background noise. It's a 40-degree day outside, and in here it's kind of like a furnace, so I kind of need the aircon and the fan kind of blowing the cool air around the place. Otherwise, I'd be a lather. So, yeah, just apologies in advance if you can't really hear us all that well, or if you get distracted by the background air noise. One very handy unit that the Italian manufacturer Manfrotto sells is the Pixi Mini Tripod. With a closed length of only 178 millimeters and an open length, or a feet apart length, of only 130 millimeters, not including the length of the 1/4-inch screw adapter, it has a tiny weight of only 190 grams and one of the most stable footprints for its size of tripod currently on sale. It is very hard to go past for the price. The award-winning Pixi Mini Tripod has become a favourite in recent years among the vlogging crowd, and I'm no exception. It is very easy to mount, incredibly stable, and the ball head controlling the pan and tilt function can be locked into place. It is easily a favourite for people on the go with either compact cameras or even mobile phones. I adapted mine to suit the small rig cage for the Canon M50 that I'm currently using, and the feel is nothing short of superb. Not only is it stylish and compact, but it fits rather nicely in the hand, and because of its light weight, it won't get tiresome for long periods of use. It pans a full 360 degrees and has a vertical tilt of 35 degrees along the whole tilt axis. The specs say that it can hold a maximum of 1 kilo load, but I believe this could easily do double that. With the tripod legs at max range, it provides a very stable platform that could even give a larger rig the same kind of support that it gives vloggers with their setups. Priced at around $25 US, or about $34 Australian, it's got arguably the best bang for buck of any mini tripod currently on sale. I bought one when I was in the US in 2019 at a place called Fry's, and there was hardly any stock left on the shelves, so I was very lucky to get one. And I'm not just talking about the tripods, but literally all the other stock was gone, and the shelves were mostly bare. So perhaps someone from the US can tell me what the hell's going on with Fry's, and if they're going the same way that CompUSA did about 10 years ago. I'll be interested to find out. So the pros of this Manfrotto Pixi Mini Tripod: it's Italian made, stylish, highly practical, 1/4-inch screw adapter with a grippy rubber base and rubber feet. It's very versatile, suited to the majority of cameras and even some larger ones. It's comfortable in hand, lightweight, and easy to adjust on the go. And good news for the Aussies, you don't have to go over to the US to find these, or even order them on eBay or Amazon. They're available right now from places like Officeworks for about the same price as the online sellers. Now, the cons. It's kind of hard to pick something that is wrong about this because there's just so much right. I can't believe I haven't included anything in this section because there's nothing really that I can fault with the product. As long as you don't ask too much of it, or try to use it for a different purpose than intended. It's simple, basic, and it really is just that good. So in summary, it really is a fantastic piece of kit that deserves to be in every vlogger's bag, or at least the startup kit. And in most cases, even the professional photographers will get the appropriate use out of it too. Best bang for buck mini tripod out there. I own one, I use it all the time. For the price of this mini tripod, it deserves to be in every photographer's or videographer's kit bag. So here it is. This is the whole and soul of the mini tripod, and basically it's just simple and just right for the job. Honestly, there's nothing really I can fault about it. That's underneath, that's on top, a little bit worn, and yeah, that's how much use I get out of it. So pushing this little red button down, that adjusts the pan head, pan and tilt. So let go of that and she's locked in place, doesn't move. So just a very quick demonstration of the intended usage for this Manfrotto Pixi Mini Tripod. This is my typical vlogging setup. So basically I've got my camera, small rig cage, 16mm Sigma lens, and the little Pixi at the bottom. Okay, now this is not a very heavy setup. Okay, so a lot of people will see this and think, okay, well that's something I could probably use myself. The cage, yeah, you might want to make a couple of alterations to it, but this does my needs. So I will be doing a review of not only the camera but also the cage and the lens as well, so look for them in upcoming videos. But for now, this is just a demonstration of the typical vlogging setup. So there it is, and that's how you hold it, and nice little thumb grip in there. It's not going to get away, and it's very versatile. If you had to sum it up in one word, versatile would be it. Right, so that's about it for now, guys. Nice, short and sweet, this one. I'll be bringing some more videos fairly soon. I've got them kind of scheduled for a weekly release, so look for those. I'm thinking probably most Fridays is when I'm going to be releasing them. So just, if you're subscribed, look for the notification, and yeah, just keep your eye out. So thanks very much for watching, guys. Like, comment, share, and if you're not subscribed already, do so. And I'll be bringing you some more of these videos very soon. Until then, this is the big fella. Have a good one, guys.